Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is Camerata Mediolanense's new album, Atalanta Fugians. This is the sixth album from the Italian ensemble known as Camerata Mediolanense. The band has built a long-standing reputation for exploring the avant-garde, straddling the line between neoclassical darkwave and Baroque-era classical music. The album consists of 10 songs of sweeping operatic vocals from the band's three sopranos, Carmen D'Onofrio, Chiara Rolando, and Desiree Corapi, combined with miscellaneous choirs, as well as the keyboard arrangements of composer Elena Previti, several percussionists, harpsichords, bass violas, and a partridge in a pear tree. All lyrics are sung in Italian.
Instrumentation is sparse as the luscious vocals of these three understandably dominate the album, but the booming percussion, reverb, and ethereal elements add a gothy, Sleepy Hollow sort of vibe to the proceedings. The title refers to a book written in 1617 by a German alchemist, Michael Mayer, which the band has been studying for the last 10 years in preparation for this work. If you are looking for a break from four long-haired dudes jamming on blues riffs, this could be just the place for you.
The arrangements are lush and the hooks abundant. Take, for example, Elena's tranquil harpsichord that kicks off Mercurius, a track that slams into a pounding beat, and a rousing chorus that blends male and female vocals in a dazzling, powerful display of medley. Rosatom is interesting, starting off with the foreboding organ lines and a dramatic beat that breaks against a spoken word vocal swirled with crisscrossing operatics.
The opener, Embryo Ventosa, may be the album's tour de force, boasting perhaps the soprano's mightiest performance. Heavenly vocals, hellish drums and hooks for miles. Interesting that most of these songs dwell in the 3 to 5 minute range, a trait that gives Atalanta Fugians the sound of a rock album as opposed to a 2-hour classical performance. The deluxe edition of the album is ultra impressive, including a 48-page hardcover book with illustration from Mayer's book. Purple vinyl looks pretty sweet as well. Come on, expand your horizons, you jackass.
That's right, you jackass.
This is Embryo Ventosa.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.